Today is a perfect day for flying. Our user wants to have some fun and goes out to fly his drone over the local park. Before taking off, he logs into the free Unifly app and selects his favorite drone. The app shows his current location. Our user enters the height and distance he wants to fly. He is immediately alerted that the requested flight will not be possible. The height he has chosen exceeds the maximum allowed. Our user makes the necessary changes and tries again. This time, all settings are correct and the flight is okay for takeoff. The drone takes off. Meanwhile, the airspace supervisor views the situation with the ongoing flights on the Flight Viewer portal. The map shows in real time where flights are declared. As the drone takes off, a pop-up appears on the supervisor map. All details, including the type of drone, requested height, user, and takeoff time are shown. Every flight is represented by a cylinder showing the height and action radius the user has entered. Suddenly, another drone has taken off in the vicinity. The app alerts our user about the collision danger. The airspace supervisor also sees this new flight as a cylinder showing the height and action radius of the second drone. Our user decides to land his drone and head on home. On the supervisor's end, the flight cylinder disappears. This way, the focus remains on actual flights that are still occurring. Unifly, unmanned traffic management at your fingertips.